had gotten to Verkop because they had bought the land from some a king. Now that king was under Mzilikazi's command. And so they had some fictitious purchase of land.
That's where the stealing started.
No, the stealing started much earlier. 1652, one of the biggest thieves was Jan van Riebeck. He started taking land. Actually, you'll see in the book, I say that as soon as he arrived, almost a week after arriving, he wrote to the Dutch East India Company and he said he wants more slaves. And what then happened is that most of the slaves that were captured in West Africa and brought to South Africa, as they arrived, the Khoi and the San people helped them to escape inland. And one time I was speaking to a guy from Ghana, and he said to me, do you know that the name Tutu is actually a common name in Ghana? I said, no. He says, I won't be surprised that those are some of the people who were actually brought here and they ran inland. And now suddenly it becomes a South African name. And I say, this is the problem when we don't know our history. These things go over and above us, and we